This is Jason with Dead Lead Air, guys, bringing you a video about my new FX Dynamic 357. We're going to go ahead and sound test it without and with the Yokozuna. Now, my Yokozuna is 2 extra baffles long. We will do it with 2 missing, we'll do it stock, and we'll do it with the 2 extras. I could have done this off camera, guys, but it's not that big a deal. So then now this is the stock configuration. So we're going to do 1 shot over the sound meter without it. And we're going to set it at highest peak so that we don't get a bunch of movement around. So we'll go ahead and load 1 into the mag. Alright guys, and this is my first shots out of the FX Dynamic 9mm or 357. Oh, it loaded so smooth. Alright guys, go ahead and get set back at 25-yard parallax. Wow. That is loud, guys. 91 decibel. That's what we got without the DonnyFL Yokozuna. 91 decibels. Okay, guys. We're going to go on the maximum setting. I'm being quiet so that I don't alter it with my loud, boisterous voice. Ambient sound is 70, it says, so. Well, better. It says 81. Okay, so guys, we'll do the math on that, but we're going to go ahead and add 2 more baffles to the front of this. 2 more baffles. Our 2 additional baffles, guys. And if you hear my toddler in the background, well, guess what? This is a family show, and the show must go on. She wanted to hang out with Daddy, so I'm going to go ahead and shoot it. 81.2. So I think mostly what you're hearing is the valve is so loud on this gun, guys. That's the actual valve noise. We're going to go ahead and shoot it out at 10 feet and see what the other, out at 10 feet sounds like. But yeah, dude, that's awesome. It's comfortable. It's still, I mean, you're hearing it hit my steel target, so. Really, 81.2 decibels. It doesn't really do it justice how much that really is. 10 decibels is. Yeah, love it, guys. Absolutely love the gun. Absolutely love the suppressor. I don't think that I would put anything else on here with the amount of air that's coming out and everything. I honestly do not think I'll put anything else out there. Now, just for funsies, let's go down and take a look. We can shoot it at 10 feet to see what it sounds like, and I can show you that. Hold on a second. So just so you know, just on a quiet, breezy day, the ambient noise is 49 decibels. So let's see what the 357 does to the sound. raised it by 10 decibels, 51. Or 53. We'll go check real quick. Very quiet. For fun, we'll just go look. .0. I just raised it by talking to 57. So that'll tell you how much quieter that bad boy is. And now look, I'm aiming right now. I was just aiming at the middle, out here hovering out in the middle of nothingness. And that's where it was hitting, because we're doing a suppressor test. So yeah guys, that wasn't even trying at all. This gun is going to be accurate. Now, this is only 25 yards, but we will be shooting some amazing groups with it. And oh, let's see, why not? Let's shoot a big old fatty pair here. And you can watch what happens to old Mr. Pear. Okay guys, so this was just a brief intro to the new Dynamic 357 from FX and the new DonnyFL, and I will go ahead and go in and run the numbers. It's the DonnyFL Yokozuna, and we'll run the numbers, but it's looking like about 10 decibels difference, which is a pretty drastic sound. Losing 10 decibels like that's pretty awesome. So it makes me happy. It is a big bore air gun. You can really hear that hammer fly. So guys, you know, it's not noisy enough to hurt your ears or anything like that. So just know that. And that's it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to go hit up our store at deadleadair.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And again, God bless, and keep that air dry.